So this video is called How to Calculate BMI Without a Calculator. Please ignore the cute baby in the background, as well as, what is this cartoon going on?
I don't know.
What's the name of this man?
Goldie and Bear.
Goldie and Bear in the background. And that cute thing that just knocked over her water. Alright, anyway. Okay, so this is for Dylan because, you know, we need a good video about this. So, Marley. Okay.
She's gonna start it again.
Okay, so let's start with a 150-pound person that is 5 foot 4 inches. Let's start with that. What, Mia?
I'm gonna cut it.
Okay, just as a reminder, BMI is going to be weight, which we can leave in pounds, over height squared times that magic number 3. Okay, there's the formula. If you want to pause this and try to calculate and see what I get, we'll see if we match up. Okay, so we do nothing to the weight, but we have to square the height in inches, and so 5 foot 4 is the same thing as 64 inches. So I'm gonna do, let's see if I can figure out that really cool method here that I was taught today. I really think I'm doing this wrong. Maybe not. So the 6 goes here, 64 times 64. And I do some sort of odd diagonally thing. I'm really confused right now, but I think this is right. Okay, we're gonna try it. Okay, so 4 times 6 is 24. 6 times 6 is 36. 4 times 4 is 16. Thank you, Maddie. And 6 times 4 is?
6 times 4 is 24.
Good job, Maddie. Okay, and then apparently I do some adding
I love
here.
you.
I love you too, Mia. 4, 9, 6. Wait, does that go with that, I wonder? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I kind of feel like it doesn't. I feel like that should have, maybe
8
so.
times 10 is 60.
Okay, so the number was 4096. And that, my friends, is the height squared. So now, we're going to take that ridiculously long number, 4096, and divide it by...
I have to be when I start learning to blow my bubble gum. My
6.
teacher showed me that way. That's hard.
Oh, this is the hard way? Maybe Maddie can show us the easier way to divide these numbers. But anyway, so let's do it my method for right now. So if I take out a 0, I have to, I have to add in my decimal there. And still 4,096 will not go into 1,500, so I need to add another 0 there. Pull that out. And then add another 0, and at this point now, 4,096 can go into 15,000. So now we need to figure out, so I'm just going to pretend like this number is 4,000. So how many times would 4,000 go into 15,000? Really, you're just asking, how many times would 4 go into 15? So how many times would 4 go into 15, Maddie? I'm going to guess this number, see if Maddie says the same thing.
Let's see.
Okay, so now we take 3 times 6, and we get 18. Carry my 1.
Is it 4 or 3?
I chose 3, Maddie.
Oh, I thought it was
3 times 9 is 27, plus 1 is 28.
Mommy.
Carry my 2.
1 plus 1 is 2.
Thank you, Mia. Mia said 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 times 0 is 0, but plus my 2 is 2. And 3 times 4 is 12. Which definitely is under the 15,000. What we need to make sure is that would 4 have put it over the top? And the answer would be yes, because another 4,000 on top of this would have taken us up to 16,000, and that would have been too much. Okay? So, now we subtract. Alright, Dylan, we're going to do some borrowing. So I can't borrow from my neighbor here, got to keep going. Can't borrow from my neighbor here, got to keep going. But I can finally borrow from the 5 and make that a 4. I'm going to make that a 10, but that's got to borrow from that, so that's actually going to become a 9. That's going to become a 10, but I got to borrow from that, so that's going to become a 9. So finally, this guy gets to be 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. My phone's having a hard time focusing. 5 minus, that's supposed to be a 9, by the way, somewhere right there, is 9 minus 8 is 1, or 8 minus 9, or whatever. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 2 is 2. So I'm left over with 2,712. But in order to come to this next level, got to bring down a 0. So now I'm trying to decide how many times 4,096 will go into 27,120. So what I'm really asking is, if I round this, how many times will 4,000 go into 27,000? I'm going to guess 6. So I'll put a 6 there. 6 times 6 is 36. So I'll put a 6 there. And a 3 right there. And Marley's playing with fake vomit. If everybody could see that there. Yep, that's fake vomit right there. Because that's what we do on a Monday evening. Okay, so sorry. 6 times 6 was 36. So I'll put my 3 up there. 9 times 6 is 54. Plus 3, 55, 56, 57. That is an awesome dinosaur, Mia. Okay, so I put my 5 up there. 6 times 0 is 0 plus my 5. And then 6 times 4 is 24. Now, again, we need to make sure, if I would have added another 4,000 on top of that, that would have definitely gone over. Here's the good news. I don't need to subtract this. I can stop.
Mommy.
Yes, Mia?
It's 6 plus 6, 36.
No, 6 times 6 is 36.
Oh, I almost got it.
You did almost got it.
plus
Okay,
6
so we're left with
12.
0.36. And I think once you go out 3 decimals, you're good to go. Okay, so now, all we've got left to do is multiply by our number that we've memorized, which is the magic 703. Okay, so now we're going to do Kaylee's magic griddy thing. I don't feel comfortable doing this, but I'm going to try it.
You gotta get your fries.
She's going to get my fries? Oh, that's okay. She can get Mia's fries. I don't have fries.
Honey, that's all.
Okay, and then the number was 0.036. So remember, we put our decimal up here because we're going to be fancy. 0, 3, 6. Maddie, one of my students taught me this today, this little method here. Ooh, and now I've got to do all kinds of like splitting, and I'm nervous because I don't know how to split these, but I'm going to try. Oh gosh, was I supposed to go there? Oh, there, okay. And then there.
Good drawer.
Ooh, thanks. Okay, so 3 times 0. Do I put a 0 in both of these spots? 0 like that? I think so. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 6 is 18. Maddie, check my math for me. These will all be zeros, right? No, yeah, these will all be zeros.
3 times 6, 6.
Okay, now 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 3 is 21. And 7 times 6 is 54. Wait. Yeah.
Stop
right.
you licking me. Molly, can
I thought you said 5 times 6. But 7 times
No, that's not right. What's 7? 42.
Is that a big French fry?
She can have a big French fry. It's okay.
Oh, sorry.
Just give her a fry.
But it's big.
It's okay. She'll eat at it. Oh, the chaos of my home. Okay, so now we do the adding. Wait, 7 times 6 is 42, isn't it? Yeah, because 7 times 7 is 49. All right, here we go.
Chaos mean?
Chaos means crazy. 9 plus 1 is 10, so I carry my 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2, and that's 0. And then my decimal slides down here, which means I got a BMI of 25.3, which officially would put this dude in the overweight range. I can't write and look at my thing at the same time because 25 to 30 is overweight. And there you go, a very long tutorial on how to do BMI without a calculator.